Hey Angie, so I'm going to show you another method to do this problem. I'm calling it first to last, but it's a method that Ms. Beretta uses a lot and a lot of her students like. It might be more useful to watch their grouping video first because it's a little unclear why this method works, but it's related to grouping. So the first thing you have to do is multiply the first and last numbers together. So 15 times 7, negative 7 is negative 105, so you're going to rewrite the problem. Instead of being 15v squared plus 32, it's going to be v squared plus 32v minus 105. The way we rewrote this problem was by multiplying the 15 and the negative 7 together. What's going to wind up happening is we can use this guiding problem to help us figure out this problem up top. So now we have to factor this problem the normal way we would. We need two numbers that multiply to be negative 105, add it to be 32. So I'm trying to think of numbers. 1 and 105, well, that's definitely not it. 2 doesn't go in. 3 times 35 gives you 105. And I think I can make this one work, because if I had a negative 3 and a positive 35, it would work. So they're going to factor to be v minus 3 times v plus 35. That would be the related problem that we just factored. Now what you have to do is you have to make it look like the original problem again by putting the original number, which was a 15 that we had out in front, back in. So we're going to put a 15v minus 3. So we're putting the 15 like right in front of wherever the v's were as a coefficient. And then a 15v plus 35. You put it back into both, and then you look to see if you can simplify anything out. Here, 15 and a 3, they both have a common factor of 3, so we divide through by 3 on both of them. And when we do that, we're left with 5v minus 1. And then for the second factor, they're both divisible by 5, so we divide them both by 5. And we're left with 3v plus 7, which, if you remember, was the answer we got when we did the problem using any of the other methods that we looked at. And if you wanted to see if these answers make sense, you could just multiply it back out.